Hi kids! Have you seen the calendar? In 1 year, there are 12 months. Each month has 28 days, some have 30 days, some have 31 days. Do you want to learn about these months? I will show you. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Wasn't it fun to learn something new? Now come on, let's sign together. Come on. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now tell me, in which month is your birthday? Do you know? Come on, sign and tell me.